Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. To all my supporters and all my channel members, thank you all so much for the love and support. I really appreciate you. If you're new to my channel, this is Sister J. I welcome you. Thank you so much for stopping by. While you're here, please hit that red subscription button, put the post notification bell on so you will be notified of future upload. Today I am going grocery shopping. Come along with me while I do a little grocery shopping. Here I'm heading to Food Lion. Food Lion is a grocery store in my neighborhood that I can get almost everything. Now that I've finished shopping, when I get home, I'll show you guys some of the stuff that I got.
Getting all the vibes, like, comment and please subscribe. Sister J world that me choosing, food where she cook, can't refuse it. When she blend up the natural juices, oh jeez, me say this sweet me, hey. Welcome to Sister J world, big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J world, tune in to the channel if you want learn. Welcome to Sister J world, big man, big woman, boys and.
Now it's time to show you some of the stuff I got. Got me some bananas, pineapple, avocados, mangoes, some apricots, yes guys, these apricots, they taste so sweet. Got me some cereal, Cheerios, and some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Got cherries, blueberries, blackberries. Yes, guys, I love my cherries too. I love my berries in general. Also got some grape, bell pepper, assorted bell pepper, onions, Irish potatoes, strawberries, some French green beans, broccoli, watermelon, cantaloupes, yes, these cantaloupes, they're sweet. Over here, I got some oranges. Right here, I got some black beans. I like to stew the black beans sometime. It's different. I don't use it to make my rice. I just stew it by itself, season it down. There I have some apples, some sweet corn. Guys, I love corn. Over here, my juice and water. Yes, guys. Not too much of shopping. I went in, I get a few stuff, and I'm not gonna go without getting my snacks. I get me some honey buns and some chips. Here I got some coffee creamer, and I also get salmon burger to make my sandwich. Yes, it's made from salmon. And that's it for now, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe. One love. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's World.